Good morning, noon and night. Here we are at E3, giving you all of our VR coverage from here.
As you can see, 360 Life is at E3, and let me tell you, it's incredible to see all this amazing gaming excitement contained under one roof. In this video, we are taking a look at B Haptics and their VR Haptic Feedback Suit, so stick around. Thanks for sticking around. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe. But more importantly, let us know what you think of E3 and what announcements have you most excited for the future of VR in the comments below. E3 is, as anyone would suspect, an awesome convention with a ton to see and lots to do. It's tough to get around quickly and decide where you want to focus your time. Upon entering the South Hall and moving past a couple of the big dog publisher spaces, this booth caught our eye and had us taking a closer look. We got to spend some time in B Haptics' booth, getting a little hands-on time with their products, and talking to one of their sales reps. We got the rundown of their current product line and how it all works. B Haptic manufactures a wireless VR haptic feedback system consisting of a mask, 2 sleeves, and a vest. They also have additional pieces that can be worn on your hands and feet that also provide haptic feedback and allow for the attachment of trackers for utilization in games that need to track your hands and feet. The system's feedback is produced by actuators that use an electric motor to spin an eccentric rotating mass. The secret sauce is the sheer amount of these actuators, like over 70. And this is a high enough density to produce a very focused feedback, allowing for very immersive physical sensations. With their Haptics Designer, a software tool, developers will be able to produce very localized and specific feelings, such as being cut with a monster's claws or sword, being shot, or just simply blown up. Along with their Haptics Designer software, they have SDKs for both Unreal and Unity engines. While B Haptic is currently looking to bring on more developers to adopt and implement their system utilizing their SDKs, it is capable of working with any VR game using the in-game audio to reproduce haptic feedback. Obviously, this method is more generic and is unable to produce the same focused and localized feedback as a full-blown game implementing B Haptics from the ground up. It's cool to know you can utilize this in any action game and get some haptic feedback from gunshots and explosions. The sales rep also told us their system is VR headset agnostic and works on any of your PC-based HMDs like the Rift and Vive, and also works with your standalone headsets as well, like the Oculus Quest and even the Oculus Go. So overall, B Haptics Feedback Suit is a cool system that can only add to providing an even more immersive VR experience. I don't think we will see this run wild on the mainstream consumer markets, but that's not really the market share B Haptics is going after. But for your location-based entertainment, i.e. VR arcades, and for high-end training and simulation, and even potentially education use cases, this makes a lot of sense where the maximum level of immersion is needed and or wanted. I don't think the price is over the top expensive, but at $500, that's probably more than your typical consumers are going to want to spend, and with the added complexity of donning all the pieces, keeping everything charged and connected properly, it is definitely out of the realm of casual use. So I'm not saying anyone needs to go run out and buy this, but if you have the opportunity to check it out at a VR arcade, do it. It's a cool way to add even more immersion to a VR experience. Well, that about does it for this video. Be sure to check back for more VR news and reviews and more E3 VR coverage. Hit that like button if you did, and subscribe if you want more. Most importantly, don't forget to enjoy that 360 life.